Hello, beautiful being. Happy Sacred Sunday. I'm Katie J, life coach for spiritual seekers who are looking to double their peace and prosperity. And today, on this beautiful Sacred Sunday at 7:01 a.m., May 7th, 2023, I have a poem to share with you and some affirmations. So we're going to do this poem. I'm going to read this poem. And then at the end, I'll have you drop into your body and repeat these affirmations with me. Alrighty. Have you ever noticed that spring comes every year? It's kind of funny that even when a tree looks dead, life still shuffles beneath the surface. Blossoms patiently waiting to emerge from the darkness of the void. Every year, we can count on it. The whale knows hundreds of miles of ocean. The tide wanes with the moon. All of this is happening in perfect harmony. No human influence required. What the actual fuck? Stop and think about that for a second. No human influence required. Nature goes on without us. It doesn't need us, but we need her. We yearn to swim and drink from her sacred waters, and she holds us. She teaches us. She is us. If we can learn to live like our Earth Mother, we can slip back into harmony with creation. With a clear vessel, a sacred temple, and a clear intention, all desires manifest through the path of least resistance. Nature is the guru. Get outside and surrender to the abundant flow of life. If it's comfortable for you, close your eyes, loosen your jaw, relax your belly, and plant both feet flat on the floor, feeling the earth beneath your feet. Lift the crown of your head to the heavens and allow your energetic roots to ground you into the earth. As we spin through space on a tiny rock in the middle of a vast, infinite universe. We're so small, but we think we know best. Nature knows best. Nature is the guru. If we can observe what nature does, we can harness her power. We can become an open and clear vessel for the divine light of love to work through us, to manifest through us. Placing one hand on your heart and one hand on your third eye. Take a deep breath in. Hold at the top and release. sharp, deep breath in. Hold. Release. One more sharp, deep breath in. Hold. Gaze the third eye. Sip a little bit more in. Drop your hands in a long exhale. I want to share some affirmations from a card I pulled this morning from the Earthcraft Oracle deck. It's about accepting your gifts. Repeat these mantras after me. I am on purpose for a purpose on my sacred journey here on earth. I am on purpose for a purpose on my sacred journey here on earth. I hold all the tools I need to walk my path. I hold all the tools I need to walk my path. I look within to find answers to my questions because all that I need to know is within me. I look within to find answers to my questions because all that I need to know is within me. I am capable, worthy, and deserving of acknowledgement that I am sacred, gifted, and magical. I am capable, worthy, and deserving of acknowledgement that I am sacred, gifted, and magical. I am exactly where I am meant to be. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. Everything is always working out for me. Everything is always working out for me. Feel these affirmations, these mantras in your heart and in your body. Breathe them in. Bring your hands to heart center. Take a deep breath in. On your exhale, push your hands open, creating a semicircle around your body, and then bring them back into your heart space. Deep breath in. Exhale. Hands go out around your body, creating a bubble of love, of power, of purpose, bringing it back in. Inhale. Exhale, pushing your hands out, clearing the energy in your space, in your aura, purifying yourself with your loving intention. Hands back to heart center. Breathe in. One more time, exhale. Hands come out, creating a protective bubble of love. The only thing that penetrates this bubble is love. The only thing that goes out is love. The only thing that comes in is love. Holding the energetic field of your magical, gifted, sacred self. I'm wishing you blessings. I'm wishing you peace. I'm wishing you prosperity in the week ahead. One final deep breath in together. Exhale to Om. Om. Thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful and blessed day.